Social life. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about social life. Friendly phrases you can use when you meet friends, talk, or just relax after work. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Tom and Jack's weekend. It's Friday evening. Tom finishes work and sends a message to his friend Jack. He writes, "Hey Jack, do you want to hang out?" Jack replies, "Sure, let's grab a drink." They meet at a small cafe downtown. When Tom arrives, he smiles and says, "What's up?" Jack laughs. "Long time no see. How have you been?" Tom says, "I've been busy, but I'm good." They sit down, order coffee, and start talking about life. Jack tells a funny story about his boss. Tom laughs and says, "That's awesome, you made my day." Then Jack says, "Relax, I'm just kidding." They both laugh loudly. After an hour, Jack checks the time and says, "I have to go now, let's keep in touch." Tom nods. "Sure, take it easy." They wave goodbye and walk home with big smiles. It's a simple evening, but it makes them both happy, because good friends always make life better. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, Tom and Jack's weekend. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Friday evening. When is it? Friday evening. Who finishes work? Tom. What does Tom do after work? He sends a message to his friend Jack. Tom says, "Do you want to hang out?" Who does Tom message? Jack. What does he ask? "Do you want to hang out?" Does Jack say yes or no? Yes, Jack says, "Let's grab a drink." What does Jack suggest? To grab a drink, where do they meet? At a small cafe downtown. Do they meet in the morning or evening? Evening. When Tom arrives, he says, "What's up?" Who says, "What's up"? Tom. What does Jack say? Long time no see. How have you been? Has it been a short time or a long time since they met? A long time. Tom says, "I've been busy but good." How has Tom been? Busy but good. Do they talk about work or life? About life. Jack tells a funny story. What kind of story? A funny story? Who laughs? Tom. What does Tom say? "That's awesome. You made my day." Jack says, "Relax, I'm just kidding." What does Jack mean? He's joking. Does Tom get angry? No, he laughs. After an hour, Jack says, "Let's keep in touch." Who says that? Jack. What does Tom say? Take it easy. How do they feel at the end? Happy and relaxed. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about social life. Today, you practiced friendly phrases like, "Do you want to hang out?" "Let's grab a drink. What's up?" "Long time no see. That's awesome." Keep in touch and take it easy. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow. Subscribe to FluentEase English and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.